Really, whoa.
It looks really amazing. It was really mind-blowing. I thought I was looking at a real frog.
Yeah, many people think.
This is amazing. What is this?
Issues with that.
Yeah.
So there's a focusing.
There is a depth, optical depth in reality, right? In virtual reality, there is no optical depth. In virtual reality, you just see flat image. And this is what makes people feel sick. So, you know, even the small camera is choosing focus. Now it's on the hand. I click here. Now it's somewhere far, okay? So this is how the camera see the reality. And here,
To do that?
and here,
So the frog.
it's focused on the frog, but when I click here, it's focused on the brine.
And this is just a display.
We really recreate the light as if it was coming from the real world. So the effect which you see is happening inside your own eye. You know, if you look at a real frog and a real tree, the world doesn't know about you where you are looking, so it doesn't add up. All the effect is happening in your eye.
No need for eye tracking.
No need for eye tracking.
You just have
I will show you.
light field VR.
Yeah, I will show you maybe this trick.